here. Thank you guys so much. You guys love me. Thank you guys. Now guys, please donate to my GoFundMe. I work very, very hard. I make so many videos and I really do a good job, darling. No. I would really appreciate the help, guys, alright? I do work very, very hard. I think it's very important that I get appreciated. No. It was my birthday yesterday, guys. Thank you for everything. You guys have always been so kind to me. Always tipping, always sharing my life, liking my life, darling. And I make sure to deliver with good beauty and a good show, darling. Really, Melina, I couldn't tell, darling. What do you mean, Dodo? Well, I couldn't tell if it was a good show or not, darling. What do you mean? I thought it was a good show, darling. Well, I couldn't tell, my girl, Dodo. I couldn't tell, Dodo. Well, I thought it was, darling. Well, you should think differently. Dodo. Wait, darling, wait, come on, come on, get out of here. Wait,